Are you ready? Are you ready to come on an adventure with me? I watched one little YouTube video and now I'm an expert. So I'm gonna try to start our zero-turn lawnmower for the first time. And I'm gonna try to learn how to drive it myself. Me, myself, and I, because why not? I mean, how hard could it be, right? So let's check it out. Okay, first things first, gotta get in it. I'm in the mower. I better look up how to reverse, because of course he has this thing in here facing the wrong direction. So, here we go. Okay, so it said pull the brake up. I don't know, is this up or down? I'm gonna assume that it's already up. You know what, we're gonna assume it's up. So it said you pull this up, boop. It said you want this like in the middle. There's no key in it. Well, I'll be back. Here I was, ready for some action. Already can't even turn the damn thing on. I need a key. Why didn't the video say make sure you have a key before you walk all the way out to the barn and then find out that there's no key? So now you have to walk all the way back to the house. Not that it's that far, I'm just complaining.
Remy, hi. Hi, big boy. He just got groomed.
I'm breaking up a sweat. Okay, key. I got a key now. Let's try this again. Okay, we're gonna put a key in. Which way does the key go? That way, of course. So this was up. This is in the middle. This is, you pull up to do the blades. So I'm gonna turn this on. Ready? Did I break it? Oh shit. What have I done? Okay. All right, she's on. I hope I don't go forward. I didn't look up how to reverse. If I pull back, pull this back, does it go in reverse? Oh, probably gotta put the brake in now, right? Okay, brake's in. Woo. Woo. Ah. Ah. It's turning. Ah. It's not going straight. I should probably put my phone down now. I'm moving. I'm doing it. Look at me. Okay, we're gonna turn this way. See? I can mow a lawn. Look at me go. I'm going forward now. I did it. Okay, how do I stop? Okay. I'm gonna go mow the lawn now. I did that all by myself. Go try something new today. Okay, I gotta take up the gutters. I forgot this part, but look, there's a froggy. Mr. Frog, you need to move along. Go on. Come on, Froggy. Get out of this way. You don't want to get mowed over.